In this video, I bring to you is our complete training tutorial for SO-ARM. First, enter our LeRobot. Then enter our virtual environment. Then you can use this command to check our port number. Connect our two main arms in turn, and our two slave arms. After plugging in the first main arm, you can use this command to check if the main arm is connected. Next is our second main arm and our two slave arms. You can check if they are plugged in one by one. Here, our cable has been connected. Next is our calibration process. First, we need to give our 4 serial ports to give them permission. Just copy our calibration master and slave B instructions and paste it, and then we can start the calibration process. Place the robotic arm. Place it in the neutral position as shown in the figure. Then press the Enter key to calibrate. You can follow the calibration process. Calibration process. To calibrate. First, calibrate the number 6 servo, followed by the 5th to the 1st servo. Here, our first arm is calibrated. The calibration process of the other 3 robotic arms is similar. Next is the process of our rocking operation. Just copy our instructions directly and paste it into the terminal. Next, we can start the remote operation process. You can further test the remote operation of the camera so that we can put the camera to the right position and then collect the dataset. With this command, we can check the camera index number, whose ID is 2 and 4. Which is the camera we need to collect the dataset. The number 0 is the camera that comes with our laptop, this camera, so we can ignore it and directly copy this instruction. If the ID of your camera changes, you need to change it accordingly. After the above operations are correct, we can move on to the next step, to record the dataset. Everyone can complete the corresponding tasks. To complete corresponding tasks, for example, using our 2-arm robotic arm to fold clothes, and our 2-arm robotic arm, and hand over cups and other training operations. The tutorial in our video is: open the drawer with the robotic arm, and then put the block into the drawer, as an example. Then, according to the example in our video, about 50 datasets, we can achieve a good effect. After collecting the dataset, we train our model. We directly copy our instructions I set 50 datasets and 60,000 steps here. If you collect more datasets, you can increase the number of steps yourself. Finally, enter our instructions and evaluate our model. As you can see, the robotic arm can independently put the block into our drawer. This is the final result we achieved. Such an effect